Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Identify the KOT printer model, current driver and firmware, and whether it connects via USB or IP. Once done, put the POS device on the same LAN and disable captive portals or VPNs that block discovery. Next, download the correct driver package and keep the admin login and password handy. This speeds installation and avoids mismatches. Now connect the printer physically and power it on so the system can detect it during the next steps. You install the manufacturer driver, choosing service and virtual printer components if prompted, because they handle formatting and status. Once installed, assign a static IP or create a DHCP reservation so the KOT address won't change. Make sure subnet and gateway match your POS network. Then, configure the print port. Use RAW/TCP port 9100 for most KOT printers or LPR if required, and map the device using that IP. After that, test by sending a small sample ticket to confirm connectivity and basic output. You finish by calibrating paper length and print density so orders print cleanly. Set the page size and enable Unicode fonts if your kitchen uses special characters. Then configure the POS application's printer profile, assign the KOT device, set escape codes for cut and cache drawer control, and enable AutoCut if supported. If something fails, check the printer logs, ping the printer IP, try a direct USB connection, and reboot both printer and POS. These steps usually reveal misconfigurations and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.